Team coverage continues with Team 10 investigator Allison Ash live in our newsroom. And Allison, you've been looking into the criminal backgrounds of two of those 6 people now under arrest.
Yeah, and police aren't ready to tell us who is the mastermind of this home invasion ring, but one of the men now behind bars has been there many times before. Thomas Smith is the oldest member of the group. He's 24. He has a record that involves both burglary and domestic violence. In June of 2013, Smith was charged with burglarizing a car. A year later, convicted of first-degree burglary of a Scripps Ranch home. We're told by the homeowner he took computers but left a fingerprint behind. In April of 2011, Smith pled no contest to 2 counts of petty theft. Months later, he was arrested for making a criminal threat, phone harassment, and vandalism. In October, he was arrested for domestic violence again. This time, it was the mother of his child. Court documents say he pushed her to the ground and started to strangle her. And in April of 2014, a petty theft conviction. That's Aaron Rico you're looking at there. He was the only other person arrested with a criminal history. He was charged less than a year ago with conspiracy to shoplift with another man. Court documents say they stole nearly $1,000 of clothing from Tilly's. He pled guilty to shoplifting. Now, here's the interesting thing. He was just in court just about a month ago, standing in front of a judge to let that judge know that he was following through with the terms of his release, and that was that he stay in school and that he have a job. Now, however, he is in very big trouble. Coming up new at 6, what we have learned about the only woman who was arrested in that group of home invaders. I'm Allison Ash, Team 10.